Okay, our next topic is mathematics of finance, which is based on your chapter 3, in which we will study about interests. So, the first of all, the first topic is simple interest. Simple interest is very easy to understand. Like if you deposit, let's say, $100 into the bank, and bank offers you 10% interest on it per month, and then after a month you will get like 100. You invest 10% is the interest which is given on the basis of month, and here you will get the interest. So your interest is 10. So it is very simple to calculate, like we can calculate it in daily life. So if I formulate this into a simple formula, we denote interest by I. P is the principal amount which we invest. Like I just gave you a simple example. If I invest $100 into the bank, and R is the interest rate. Let's say bank offers me 10% interest, and T is time, let's say per month, in 1 month, so it would be 10. So we denote the amount which we invest. We now onward we will call it principal amount, and R is the interest rate, T is the time, and I is denoted by interest. And here one more thing, if we want to know that after a month or after a year how much amount will you have in your account, so we denote it by A. So your principal amount plus your interest rate. So if we write them in a formula, like P plus I is PRT, so which is 1 plus RT. So this is the formula for the total amount. Like you invest $100 into the bank for the period of, let's say, 1 year or 1 month, at the rate of 10%. So the total amount into the bank would be 110. So this is called the simple interest. Like here you can see, find the interest on a boat loan of $5,000 at the rate of 16% for 8 months. So time is 8 months. Here one thing which is very important, we always express time in terms of years. So in terms of year it would be 8 by 12 years, and R is 16%. Your principal amount is $5,000. So interest will be, you can simply substitute the values into the formula. So 5,000 times 16% times 8 by 12. So that is your interest. The point to be noted in this example, we always express time in terms of years. So if it is 9 months, in terms of year it will be 9 by 12. If there are 15 months, then we will express it in terms of year divided by 12. So it is 3 by 2. Sorry, 3, 5 by 4. Anyways, okay. So here you can see that P is I equals to PRT. You can substitute the values and you can get the interest. And after 8 months, how much amount would be in your account? You can write it P times 1 plus RT. P is 5,000. 1 plus 0.16 times 0.66. That would be the amount, $5,533.33 in your account. The total amount to be paid back for the boat loan would be $5,000 plus the interest. And here you can see what we have already done. So that is the present value, or so called future value. Like here A, this is the formula which we have already discovered. P times 1 plus RTA is the amount or the future value, so called future value. Later on we will discuss another type of future values. Find the total amount due on a loan of 600 at 16% interest at the end of 15 months. So time is, as I said, we express times in terms of year, 15 by 12 years, and principal amount is 600. R is 16%. Find the total amount due. So we will use A equals to P times 1 plus RT. P is 600, 1 plus R is 16 by 100 times 15 by 12. If you solve this, you will get 720. Similarly, what is the annual interest rate earned by a 33-day T-bill with maturity value of $1,000 that sells for this? Maturity value is this, so it means that that is the amount which we will get. T is number of days. We will express it in terms of year. 33 over 360 or 365. Normally fiscal years counts 360 days, but you can divide it by 365 or 360, both are fine. So what annual interest rate we need to find? R. What annual interest rate when this is the situation? So you can see that here now we are given the future value 1000, it will mature at 1000, and P the amount which you invested, and R which we need to know. T is 33 days, so we converted it into years by dividing it by number of days per year. So when you solve this, you will get R equals to 0.042, which is 4.2%. So this is a simple calculation. You can go through from it. If you have any question about this calculation, tomorrow we will have a live tutorial and then we can discuss it over there. Okay, another application, a department store charges this percent interest for overdue account. How much interest will be earned on this account that is 3 months overdue? 3 months means 3 by 12 years, and interest we need to find. R is 18.6, P is 1080. So very simple, you can substitute the things and you can get the answer.